We've had Baker Brothers out many times. We're on their family plan. Most recently, we had some bathroom faucets replaced. They did a really terrific job, kept everything clean and made sure that everything was working, that we didn't have any leaks, and the functionality of it was correct. Everything is just above board. They do a really fantastic job. I would recommend for any kind of work that they do to any of my family members or my neighbors or friends. Out of all the times they've been out, we've never had any problems at all. Everybody's always very kind and polite.
Baker Brothers makes great service.